Find something you can hold on to. Find someone who'll be there for you. Cause that's all that really matters in the end. Find somewhere you can come home to. Find someone that'll die for you. Cause that's all that really matters in the end. It's love, love, love. Cause that's all that really matters in the end. Cause that's all that really matters in the end. It's hard to tell the truth when you lie to yourself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Rifki and I am Gagah Brian Putra. Hello everyone. Welcome to our special video on how to keep our beautiful beach clean. Today I share the stunning coastline of Java. Look around, isn't amazing, but we need your help to keep it the way. Sadly, not everyone takes care of our beach. Sometimes people leave their trash behind and it ends up here, harming the environment and the animals that live here. But we can do something about it. Let's learn how to clean the beach properly. First, always wear gloves to protect your hands. That's it. Then pick up the trash and put it into the right bins. One for the bicycle and one for bone bicycle. Okay, let's review the important words we have learned today. Repeat after me. Pollution. Stress. Environment. Glove. Bicycle. Bin. Plastic. Bottles. Cans. Okay, good job. Look at our beautiful beach now. Thanks to everyone's hard work, it's clean and safe. For everyone to enjoy, remember, keeping our environment clean and is everyone's responsibility. So next time you visit the beach, Tapak Beach, make sure to pick up your trash and help keep our ocean clean. See you. Dadah.